Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini saya akan buat video pembentangan konkret. Sebelum itu mari saya memperkenalkan diri saya dahulu. Nama saya ANZAR bin SAMSUDIN dari kelas TKA 1B. Saya berasal dari Kedah dan nombor pencatatan saya ialah 01 TKA 20F1037. Okey. Tajuk video pembentangan saya ini ialah Sieve test. Okey, mari kita mulakan. Okey. Eksperimen 3 Sieve analysis test. Okay, objektif dia ialah the objective of this experiment is to obtain the grading the curve for both fine and coarse aggregate. Okay, the theory is this experiment carried out to determine a good distribution of aggregate by using sieve and comparing the result obtained with PS410. The plot distribution curve can give a clear picture of the quality of different sizes of aggregate. A good distribution curve must be an ideal polar curve. Apparatus in this analysis test. First, pen balance. Second, 2 gram, 2000 gram. Third, 500 gram of dry refined aggregate sand. Fourth, sieve size iaitu 3.35 mm, 1.0, 1.70 mm, 1.18 mm, 3.0 mm, and 3.0 mm. Okay, next, 5 sieve size 53.0 mm, 50 mm, 28 mm, 25 mm, and 14 mm. Number 6, sieve pen and cover. And lastly, mechanical sieve shaker. Okay, next we continue with procedure. Okay, prepare a sample of 500 gram of sand and 200 gram of granite. Put into dry pan. And then place your sieve in a step of increasing sieve number. Next, the largest sieve opening should be on the top and the pan of the bottom at the bottom. Next, pour the sand slowly into the sieve from the top and close it. Okay, next repeat the step to put granite into the layer of sieve. Okay, then place the sieve set into mechanical shaker and secure the top clamp and set the timer for 5 minutes. Okay, then open the set of sieve carefully so that no losing of material is expected. Okay, next take out and measure the mass of retained soil inside from the top sieve until the pan. When quantity of material occur closely by layer, record the mass of each sieve. Okay, next, data collection. The result is analysis conclusion and result. Analysis, the result obtained by drawing the distribution curve in the graph given determine the variation of aggregate with the analysis result. Compare it with grading standard MS 7.4. Discuss the difference. Okay, next, there is the sample of table. It have a sand and weight of sample, sieve number, weight retained, percent retained, weight passing through, percent passing through, cumulative and retained, cumulative percent passing through. Okay, you can see it. There are calculation of table of conclusion. Okay, next. You can continue with this granite conclusion. Okay, we continue with question. Okay, first explain the importance of sieve burst size, opening size on the graph given below. Okay, you can see this graph. Okay, from the graph given, it shows the result of sieve analysis. We can see the graph results are higher because the opening size. If the particles smaller than opening, they pass through the sieve using a small size sieve will prevent large size ingredient that release them. Okay, next. Second, explain the importance of sieve analysis test. Okay. Sieve analysis is important for analyzing material because particle size distribution can affect wide range of properties such as strength of concrete, good mixture, and surface area. Distance This test can alienate the material of sand and aggregate with sieve sieve size. Okay. Third, determine the value of modulus fineness for this experiment and comment on the result obtained. Okay. Modulus fineness are radius index of coarseness or fineness of the material. It is also defined as an empirical factor obtained by adding the cumulative percentage of aggregate. It is calculated by performing sieve analysis with standard size. Higher the aggregate size, higher the fineness modulus. Hence, fineness modulus of coarse aggregate is higher than fine aggregate. Okay. Discussion. Based on this explain, we have a discussion. Okay. A sieve analysis is practice to assess the particle size distribution of a granular material. Gradation of aggregate is determined from size analysis in which a representative sample of aggregate. The number sieve describe what such aggregate flows to the next. Some of powder are spilled out from the container since the machine is not closed correctly. This also refers to the result obtained. So before conducting this experiment, make sure the sieve are cleaned by using brush because its many soil particles are stuck in the opening. This will affect the result of the experiment. The machine also must be set up correctly so that there is no problem occur during carrying out the process. Okay, conclusion. In conclusion, its aggregate are good to be used in construction of structure and building. Instead, we have to sieve an amount of gravel and sand from coarse down into fine paste where in different size will be separate and we will see if the such aggregate are well balanced where in our graph is percentage of each size. If this size will show which have more and less amount. So we need all size of sieve to get many layer and sand and granite. Okay, that's all. Conclusion. Okay. Okay, that's all for me from this night. Thank you everyone. I hope you can understand what I say and I hope you can practice this test for your daily life. Okay, thank you. Thank you everyone. Okay.